Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Welcome to Poppo Live, a dynamic platform where you can share your world and connect with a global audience. This app lets you broadcast live videos, showcasing your talents or daily life. Viewers can engage with you in real time, making every session interactive and fun. It is accessible on both Android and iOS, bringing live streaming to millions of users worldwide. Get ready to dive into a vibrant community and express yourself freely. To begin your Poppo journey, first download the app from your phone's app store. Next, create your account, which is a simple process using your email or social media. For security, you will need to complete face authentication and upload a live photo. Before you can go live, you must reach at least level 5 by watching streams and interacting, which usually takes just a day or two of casual use. Once you are ready, tap the live icon to start your broadcast. Remember to choose an engaging title and category to draw in viewers. During your stream, actively interact with your audience through the live chat, responding to comments and giving shoutouts. Viewers can send virtual gifts like hearts or rockets, which not only show their support, but also allow you to earn points and monetize your content. To truly maximize your Poppo experience, explore the interactive games found in many live streams. You can also engage in thrilling PK battles, competing against other streamers for fun and recognition. Consistency is key. Streaming a few times a week helps build a loyal audience. For an even richer experience, consider topping up Poppo coins, which unlock special features and allow you to send more elaborate virtual gifts to your favorite creators.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.